Mr. Dotto, you have finished. Only 2 points.
Role of S. Basu Roy Company. Where the first document, my lord, on this aspect is, my lord, the resolution of the board of 4th of October 2016.
4th of October 2016. Where
Yes.
do we get it?
My lord, that is not on record. My lord, I need to, my lord, if your lordship permits us, my lord, I may hand up to the court. I'll serve copies on my learned friends. Page number tech to dekhe na.
Now, what is written there?
Yes. My lord, if your lord, page number tabol,
One. Oh, page number 3.
My lord, it starts from page number 3.
You've given a copy to them?
Yes, yes.
Page number 3.
Yes, page number 3, the minutes start. At the top, your lordships find, my lord, proceedings of the annual general meeting of the ad hoc committee of the board at so and so on 4th of October 2016. Now, if your lordships may kindly take, my lord.
Yes.
But your lordships may kindly take page number 6. But amongst others, this is being resolved. But in the middle of that page, my lord, there is a paragraph starting with, it is also submitted.
Yes.
It is also submitted that after the publication of TET 2014, result on 14/9/2016, the confidential processor, my lord, S. Basu Roy is a confidential processor, had been requested to do the following jobs. 1. Arrangement for online application for about 1,25,000 TET qualified candidates and collection of fees thereof. On receiving the online application arrangement made for preparation of district-wise list for scrutiny stroke verification and viva voce stroke interview and aptitude test along with attendance sheets and dispatch of the same to the board. 3. Arrangements to take up scrutiny verification of testimonials and viva voce sheets for necessary entry against candidates forwarded by the district and the preparation of panels as per rule. The confidential processor submitted rates for each stage of work in the following manner, where the stages are there and the rates are there. Then the matter is discussed in details in the meeting and the board approves the rate in as under in slight modification of the quoted rates. So therefore, my lord, the board had resolved to, my lord, confer upon the confidential processor these jobs. But these are, my lord, primarily, my lord, clerical jobs and has got nothing to do with, my lord, judging the merits of the candidate during the interview or viva voce, aptitude test or lecture demonstration.
Yes.
Is Basu Roy কথা কম Now, my lord, Mr. Bhattacharya
Mr. Dotto,
I'm
just
sorry, sir. Yes,
there were 1,25,000 applicants
right.
who filed. All those are TET passed.
Okay, yes, yes, all TET quality.
Now, how many did participate in the interview? Do you have that?
We are around 1,19,000 plus.
In interview and Vaivavosi, about 1 lakh.
19,000 plus, a bit less than 1,20,000.
Odd. And how many trained candidates were appointed?
11,000.
Around 11,000.
11,500 something.
Trained was 11,000. And the untrained was
42,080.
No, no.
32,089.
32,000.
More or less, approximately 32,000.
All three figures are approximate.
Approximate.
32,089.
No, 32,000 as a roundabout. Roundabout 32,000.
31,800 and something. With
But-
31,800 and something. So
Oh.
more or less 32,000.
So he has given a bit more.
Yes.
Mm.
Now, this one thing is this, another before you proceed.
Yes, sir.
Now, under the rules, the provision which provides for marks in the interview and
Miller, dear Lordships, may kindly take rule 7 and 8.
rule 8. No, our query was training as specified by NCT, that is not coming within it. Teacher eligibility is
Page
5
115.
marks. So
Yes.
these 5 marks is given on the basis of marks obtained percentage wise.
Yes.
Weightage.
So this is given percentage. And extracurricular fixed.
Fixed.
And in Vaivavosi interview, you give percentage.
No.
No, because an argument was made that in respect of those para teachers, you have given in fraction.
Yes.
But
Because-
he showed us the table saying that there is no scope for issuance of such fractional marks in para teachers. So I am asking this question.
Page 115.
So in teacher eligibility percentage, extracurricular activities fixed. Vaivavosi is as per marks, aptitude as per marks.
Right.
And this is kindly, Mr. Dotto, if you take for earmark vacancies on the bottom of note 5,
Yes,
it
Miller.
specifies 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Five.
So there is no further distribution.
No.
Oh, very good. Very good. You may proceed now.
Yes, now, Miller, Mr. Bhattacharya has handed up to the court an affidavit filed by S. Basu
Yes, Basu. Yes, Basu.
in a separate proceeding, in another
Yeah,
proceeding. Kindly have a look.
part
at
of which was in the spiral document.
that. Yes, maybe.
এবার ওই evidence
But I would request your lordships to have a look to only 2 pages.
হ্যাঁ, একটু দেখো ওই the paper book or
No, it was separately handed up.
হ্যাঁ জানি yes, which paragraphs you are showing?
19 and 20. 19, 20, from 19 to 23.
23.
Yes.
Do you have a spare copy in your hand just now? Do you have a spare copy?
Dena.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আছে
হ্যাঁ, আছে।
no that is with us. Oh, give it to us.
19টা
Yes, what-
23. Yes.
Paragraph-
Para 19, I state that
Hmm.
West Bengal Board of so-and-so directed S. Basu Roy and Company
yes
to provide a scrutiny verification list as per the district-wise, and the same was submitted to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education along with attendance sheets of candidates. The scrutiny verification list has provisions for writing of Vaivavosi marks, aptitude test marks, and extracurricular marks by the scrutinizer. This is very important. along with the remarks, if any, against each candidate. Therefore, my lord, the marks was awarded by the scrutinizers or the interviewers, not by S. Basu.
Then why it will be in the hand of S. Basu?
No, my lord, they are only, my lord, doing the printing job.
Now, please read the para.
Yes,
I
yes.
state the board, primary board directed Basu to provide a scrutiny.
Yes,
Verification is as per district wise.
yes, yes.
And the same was submitted along with attendance sheet of the candidates.
Right.
Now these attendance sheets and everything were being arranged by S. Basu.
Only the printing part. The format.
Yes.
Now, my lord,
Scrutiny was not in his hands.
no, 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 certainly not. But all documents, my lord, I have brought, my lord, one district complete documents to demonstrate before the court that everything was done in order.
Achha, next, any other 20?
But from 19 to 23, your lordships may read for your lordship, but I don't think that
Yes.
there's much to dilate on this. Then, my lord, I'll go to, my lord, the CBI charge sheet.
No, I have one question.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Bhattacharya placed reliance upon this. This communication. Potential processor. There were a bunch of letters annexed to the spiral binding.
Fast.
Page
130 onwards. 130 onwards.
Paper book first of all.
This,
Related to confidential section, right? 130 onwards.
Starts with 130.
on that,
130.
yes.
Actually, 126, 126. 126 onwards. 127 onwards. 130 is the letter to the confidential section. 14 September 16.
This page 130, Mr. Dotto.
My lord, this is the appointment letter. Kindly see, have a look to the contents of this letter. My lord, this is being addressed to the confidential processor because this is how, my lord, they describe them.
No, he placed clause B.
Yes, yes. After receiving the online applications, arrangements are to be made for printing of list. Printing of lists for scrutiny, stroke verification, and viva voce interview and aptitude test sheets, along with attendance sheets of the candidates and dispatch of the same to the board.
But there was no rule to that effect,
No.
which provides in that the rule 7.
See.
And 6,
Yes,
arrangement.
arrangement are to be made to take up scrutiny verification of the testimonials and viva voce sheets, not the testimonials, for necessary entry.
Next clause C is clear.
First, what are the sheets meant for? For necessary entries against each candidate forwarded by the districts and preparation of panels as per rule. But there was no assessment by S. Basu Roy Company.
Next clause.
Yes.
Therefore, my lord, it is only that they are going to prepare the sheets. My lord, incorporation of marks and everything would be done by the appropriate authorities.
Or one cell. Both cell.
No, this instruction which we are giving to the confidential processor,
Yes.
to that effect, did you frame any guideline as provided under the rules?
My lord,
Come back to Rule 7.
yes, kindly comes to my lord, Rule 7.
Yes.
I'm sorry, 4,
Four.
5E.
Eh. Please explain us that, because
Yes, yes.
that has been a you are powered to engage is 4.5C.
Yes, 4, 5C.
Now this uh, 5 says, with prior approval, state board shall have the following to lay down the modalities, procedure and or guidelines.
Yes.
So to this effect, was there any modality?
Yes.
Any such modality was
But the
framed?
modalities where I would respectfully submit was, my lord, the resolution of 4th of October 2016.
But that was without approval of the state, subject to prior
Yes.
approval of government.
My lord, may I say this, my lord? What is the case?
No, we want to know your answer. You said that this preparation of modalities is the 6th October letter which you showed us.
4th October.
Sorry, 4th October.
The board, a statutory body, is deciding to do this.
But Mr. Dotto, have you found any direction from the state to that effect, that all right, you are taking these steps, we are approving that? Because that was one of their arguments.
But I'll place, my lord, from the bunch that I've handed up, I'll show in respect of one district.
Yeah, but I may forget, that is why I'm putting it to you, because Mr. Bhattacharya has more than once relied upon this provision.
My lord, please read, my lord, this resolution of 4th of October,
That you have
read with page 130 of the first volume of the paper book. It is clear that, my lord,
130 is what?
the one, my lord, which my lord was
Rule,
pleased to
rule.
refer. Yes.
The rule. Achha.
Yes.
Later.
Letter.
No, all right. This argument you have made, that this is only purely for administrative work, nothing to do
Nothing.
with the scrutiny.
Only clerical. He's a printer, basically. But I'll show, my lord, after, my lord, so much investigation, because with the
Yes.
petitioners and all, they have reposed to so much faith on CBI. Now, on this aspect, what is the CBI's finding, which your lordships want us to address before your lordship, that did S. Basu Roy in any way tinker with the assessment of the candidates
Mm.
or participate in assessing the merits of the candidate? On that, my lord, kindly have a look to, my lord, the CBI charge sheet. My lord, kindly take, my lord, the bail application.
No, Mr. Dotto, we need not go.
Just one paragraph, only to dispel doubt. Because these are not what Mr. Bhattacharya has referred. Just to dispel with any doubts from the mind of the court.
চার্জশিটের ওটা কি আমার কাছে?
But it was a bail application, my lord, which was.
ওকে বলো না, ওই ওকে ডাকো, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি। সুব্রতকে ডাক, আমার সাথে ছিল।
70.
Page number 70.
Just a 4-line paragraph.
Yes.
Where in the middle of the page below, a paragraph starting with during further investigation.
Hmm. Yes.
The role of the confidential processor firm, namely so-and-so, was looked into. Who was awarded the work of designing, printing and supply of OMR sheets and also processing the same for preparation of panels.
This is second charge sheet or third charge sheet?
This is, I think this is,
I think second charge sheet.
First supplement.
Recently asked you actually.
first.
This is first.
First supplementary. First charge sheet, then first supplementary. This is the first supplementary.
Initial charge sheet and then Millard, this is second in the point of time.
Yes.
Therefore, Millard, my respectful submission is, Millard, from all these documents, Millard, it is evident that even after investigation, a full-fledged investigation which went on for months, Millard, the finding of Millard, the prima facie conclusion of the CBI is that, Millard, S. Basu Roy was awarded the job of designing, printing and supply.
Yes.
The bunch আমায় দে এবার আমার bunchটা দে Now, Millard, I'll show from papers also. Let us not depend upon CBI only or my resolution only for the purpose of demonstrating before the court as to what S. Basu Roy had actually done. Millard, please take that, Millard, bunch that I have handed up today. Millard, we have, Millard, given your lordship, Millard, only one district.
Page 3 you showed us.
Yes, I have shown, Millard, page 3. Page 1 is where the appointment notification, your lordships may skip that over. Then page 3, that resolution where I have placed before my lords.
This is the 26th. This is the notification.
Notification, the employment notification.
Which other page you are showing?
Yes, now kindly take, Millard, page 12 onwards.
Our onwards, what do they want?
The 4th of October, Millard, was the resolution that I placed before my lords. Now please take page number 12.
Yes.
The Commissioner of School Education is writing to the District Inspector of School of all districts.
Yes.
In inviting a reference to the above, she is requested to constitute subcommittees with the officials under his or her supervision for scrutinizing the testimonials of TET 14 qualified candidates under his or her jurisdiction. Who will do those? DI of the concerned district, all AIs of the concerned district, all SIs of the concerned district, all staff of the Office of the District Inspector of Schools, and district primary school councils, including Kolkata and Shiliguri, of all the concerned district will be engaged for necessary assistance to the committee. Therefore, the committee members are comprised of government officials. What would they do? Scrutinize the testimonials of TET 14 qualified candidates.
But scrutinization, you gave it to the S. Basu.
No. Form.
No, you showed us page 130.
Yes. Sheets. Here, lordship will find the expression sheets over there. But may I read it once more, Miller, for your lordship's consideration?
133.
Kindly may
Scrutiny.
2 and 3, these are sheets. At least 3 times your lordship will find the word sheets in para B and C. May I read it once more, Miller, for your lordship's consideration?
All right.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So your argument is they were with the work of filling up the for preparing the sheet.
Preparing the sheets. Yes.
Yes.
Now, after the sheets come, what was done? What was done by the board or the government officials in this process? That your lordship will find from page 12 onwards of the bunch that I've handed out. Yes, when I have read Miller page number 12. The Commissioner of School Education is writing to all the DIs of all the districts that you constitute subcommittees with government officials. What would they do? They would scrutinize the testimonials of the TET 14 qualified candidates. Now, please turn the page, Miller. This was done on the 5th of October. 4th of October was the resolution. 5th of October is the one at page 12.
The 4th of October resolution towards preparation of subcommittee was there.
Yes.
You showed us page 6.
Yes. Please come back to Miller, page number 6.
Yes. Arrangement of online apply on receiving online preparation of decision for scrutiny verification. Committee কোথায় রয়েছে?
5. This your lordships would find, Miller,
Page 8. Page 8.
please take Miller, page number, yes,
নিয়ে তো সামনে হলে
page number 8.
বের করার আগে পেজ Yes, page 8, agenda 11.
Yes.
Yes.
Kindly see, Miller, to discuss what is the agenda item. Agenda item is to discuss regarding the constitution of selection committee in terms of the recruitment rules as amended up to date. It is reported that in terms of the relevant provisions under Rule 7 of the rules, the board will constitute a selection committee consisting of 5 members, so and so. It is proposed that the president will chair the committee and the secretary will be the ex officio secretary of the committee. The other members will be, there are 3 names. The House unanimously approves the proposal and the selection committee for recruitment of primary teachers is constituted unanimously. The 5-member selection committee will be so and so. Then after the 5 personalities, please take the next one. The secretary of the board, who is also the ex officio secretary of the selection committee, is authorized to take up appropriate action for convening meetings of the selection committee for formation of district-wise interview boards stroke subcommittees as per the relevant provisions of the rules, modified up to date. So this is for subcommittee. Now please take agenda item number 12. To discuss the constitution of interview board stroke subcommittees for interview and aptitude test and the committees for scrutiny verification of testimonials of the candidates as per the rules. It is resolved that the selection committee will constitute adequate number of subcommittees district-wise to conduct the interview, viva voce, aptitude test for recruitment. Further resolved, with the next page, Miller. Further resolved that for verification of testimonials, district-wise verification committees consisting of DI, S, PE and SE, sub-inspectors and assistant inspectors of respective districts will be formed. Then the following guidelines, etc.
Yes.
Therefore, my lord, government officials were conferred with, my lord, this work of verification of testimonials of the TET 2014 qualified candidates. It was never done by S. Basu Roy and Company as submitted by the
Yes.
দেখে দিচ্ছি। এটা দেখি পড়ে দিচ্ছি, পড়ে দিচ্ছি।
Yes, Mr.
Yes. Now, my lord, I was at page number 12 of this bunch. Now, my lord, after 5th of October, no, 4th first, then 5th. 5th is page number 12. Then what happens on 12th of the same month?
Yes.
In continuation, well, this is the notification regarding scrutiny verification of testimonials and vivacy interview and aptitude test. In continuations of our earlier notification, this is to notify that arrangements are going on in full swing for conducting the scrutiny verification of testimonials and vivacy interview and aptitude test of the TET 14
You are placing page 12.
13, where 12 I have placed.
Yes. In continuation, yes.
Going on in full swing for conducting scrutiny verification of testimonials and vivacy interview and aptitude tests of the 2014 qualified candidates, those who have submitted online application in response to our notification mentioned herein above for the appointment to the post of assistant teacher of a particular council only in the government aided, government sponsored so and so schools under so and so councils during 19th October to 28th October 2016. So, my lord, the period during which, my lord, this would be done was 19th of October to 28th of October. The time, date, time, venue, etc., of this such and such of a particular district council would be notified in the website. Candidates will be informed through SMS or emails to their mobiles, where we may skip over those. Then, my lord, third paragraph, all the candidates are required to produce the following documents in original along with 2 copies at the time of scrutiny. Well, 15 documents, then kindly turn the page. But the candidates have to look into the website. Then, my lord, your lordships may kindly take me to the next page. But since, my lord, I am addressing on S. Basu Roy's, my lord, involvement, please take, my lord, the third bullet point at page 14. First, my lord, the heading at page 14, guidelines for conducting the scrutiny verification of testimonials and vivacy interview and aptitude test for the TET 14 qualified candidates, those who have submitted online applications.
Why didn't your president put these documents in the affidavit? Problem solved.
Where?
He said new
In this
president.
proceeding?
Before his lordship, when the first affidavit was, he was saying that I am the new person in office. I don't know anything about the other records.
Opposition ছিল
But so far I recollect, subject to correction, my learned friends are here. My lord, initially, my lord, there were no directions for affidavit. At one point of time, my lord,
Mr. Doctor, good, bad, indifferent, whatever may be the deficiencies, an affidavit was affirmed.
yes.
An affidavit, when it is being affirmed by a person to the level of secretary or president, he will avoid this information that I have no records because I have come here just now. I don't know the records or nothing. Yes. As you are merging your
My lord,
argument
since, my lord, the
on-
matter has gone on for a number of days, it's quite likely that, my lord, everything will not be in your lordship's memory. But there is a one order where, my lord, the learned single judge refused.
no
the-
affidavit shall be filed.
Yes.
Yes. But you file the affidavit.
No,
na?
my lord, but I do not know what exact word I should use. But, my lord, I had negotiated with the court for days in and days out, and then, my lord, I got an opportunity to file an affidavit. Number one. Number two, my lord, Assuming, my lord, I was given adequate opportunity to file affidavit, my lord, please consider, my lord, whether in this proceeding, all these documents were required to be brought on record. Was it required? Please consider, my lord, but I have to, my lord, frame my affidavit based on the cause of action, based on the allegations, and an averment in the writ petition. Now, my lord, in the vacuum, my lord, allegations are being made.
No, you cannot-
Unsubstantiated allegations are being made, and my lord, I have to come and dispel doubts from the mind of the court.
Naturally, when your president says that I am come just now today, I don't know what happened yesterday.
Yes.
So naturally, a
No,
court
no, no.
will ask you.
First is, my lord, question, my lord, if I appear for the petitioner,
Yes.
my job,
Your argument, we understand that there was no material to that effect in the writ petition which we could have controverted by drawing attention to further documents. You can say that, but when a person who is the president, he says that I have come today, I do not have any information about
right,
it.
right.
This, Mr. Anyway, you proceed page 14, what you
Yes.
want to say?
Kindly see, my lord, apropos, my lord, the issue on which I am addressing the court, page 14, the third bullet point.
Yes.
There will be adequate number of approved interview boards consisting of comprising 3 members
Hmm.
who will form the quorum, who will be either former or existing high school and college teachers having at least graduate degrees.
Hmm.
Each board will interview 100 candidates, maximally on the basis of the slips to be issued at the venue on being satisfied wholly over the authentication made on the prescribed sheet containing the verification, checking, and authentication details of candidates. The DIs will be in charge of the entire process of verification and authentication. And where people come over here and just say that S. Basu Roy have done everything. But these unsubstantiated casual statements before the court, with respect, then Miller, the rest, Miller, I don't think Miller is required.
Yes. Now,
Yes, now, please take, Miller. It's a foolproof system. Now, kindly take me to page number 18. Funds were, Miller, also arranged. Kindly have a look to page 18. I'm sorry.
আমি এটা বুঝতে পারছি না এখন যখন এক ঘটনাটা তো সেই স্পেশাল
Lord, since Lord, your lordships have been pleased to observe that why did I not file it by way of an affidavit, these documents which I'm placing right now. Please just hurriedly have a look to the writ petition. Was there any scope for me to
No,
that
that contention we have taken note
yes,
of.
yes. But there was no scope of placing these documents.
Yes.
Now, my lord, I had placed it up to page number 16. Now, please come to page number 18. Funds were also arranged. Kindly see that the secretary of the board writing to the district primary school council with reference to the above.
All right, we shall go through them.
Because
Any
they-
other
they fund
page,
and no,
any other page you want to show?
but this purpose is to meet the
We
honorarium.
have read it.
Very- Now kindly take, please take where the next document, page 19. What is it?
Notice.
But the chairman, my lord, is calling a meeting. Meeting for what? To transact the following agenda on urgent basis. Agenda is interview aptitude test for the qualified candidates of 14 miscellaneous. In this connection, all staff of the council, etc., requested to be present. So, my lord, then meeting was called for arranging, my lord, the interview and all that. Then, my lord, we apply before the schools. Please take my page number 20 for accommodation. No, no. এটা হচ্ছে provide accommodation. এটা পুলিশ কোথায়? But can you take me to page number 20?
Accommodation.
Yes, but is it Millard memo number 738 Millard?
37. 738 is page 21.
Millard, then Millard kindly take my memo number 737. My papers are Millard not properly arranged.
737 is to the police.
Yes, first to the police. That interview aptitude test of the candidates will be held at Balurghat High School, so and so as per schedule. Kindly render all support for smooth conduct of the test since a large gathering is expected in this venue. Then kindly take note 738. But this is being written to the school concerned. Kindly take the third paragraph, line. As per telephonic instruction by the president, there will be 9 tables for scrutiny of testimonials and 9 tables for interview. Room for scrutiny will be big in size. You are requested to take necessary action for accommodation. Then kindly take your memo number 739 at page 22. Where the council chairman is writing to the DI, yes, DI of secondary, this to inform that Balughat High School has been approved as the venue for interview aptitude test of the TET 2014 qualified candidates by the board. Schedule of this test is noted below. You are requested to be present at the venue. Or the DI is being asked to remain present below at the time of interview. Kindly turn the page 23. DM informed.
Yes.
Then we'll have to the DM. This is for your information that so and so school has been approved as the venue of so and so by the board. Please take necessary action in this regard. So DM is also kept in the loop. Kindly take me to the next one, page 24. Now, this is to all the scrutinizers. Your lordship will not find Milord S. Basu Roy figuring anywhere. To all the scrutinizers, this is to inform you that so-and-so school has been approved as the venue, etc. by the board. A committee for scrutiny of testimonials has been formed at the meeting on so-and-so date. All officers are requested to attend at this venue at 9 a.m. That's it.
And the list of scrutinizer is at page 48.
Yes. Now it goes to attending, providing for medical team,
And
drinking water.
for intimation letters sent to the interviewer.
Well, one more document, page 27. Release of the sub-inspectors are also, my lord.
No, the scrutinizers were all assistant inspectors. This
Yes, that your lordships would
is
find.
48.
Yes,
SIs and AIs.
yes. No, before, will kindly see me the letters from, please take just one as a specimen. Please take page 29. ঠিক আছে।
Yes.
Well, page 28, Commissioner of School Education is also informed, but please take page 29.
That is the letter to the professor.
Yes, to act as interviewer expert.
Yes, yes.
Now 29 onwards, these are all, my lord,
Letters.
letters to the interviewers asking them to act as interview stroke expert.
Yes.
Then your lordships have referred to, my lord, page number 48. These are the scrutinizers. Kindly have a look to their designation.
We have seen. Anything else, Mr. Verma?
Then please take page 49. Their attendance sheets that the interviewers, scrutinizers were present at the Balurghat High School on the date that is 28th of October. Yes. Now the example is the sheet that your lordship finds over here is the sheet which was printed by S. Basu Roy.
Yes.
Then kindly take as an example page 51, what was sent to the respective candidates. But this is what, my lord, each of the candidates have downloaded. Details of your venue, stroke scrutiny verification and interview aptitude test to be conducted by the board is mentioned below. Application, roll number, name, mobile number, district, venue, venue address, reporting date, reporting time, then table number. This was done, my lord, on 22nd of October. And, my lord, the table number, each of the table number with the respective roll numbers
যেটা বোর্ড পাঠিয়েছিল এটা সই করে নিন, সই করে টেবিলগুলো আবার যাওয়া হবে।
what interviewers have taken. Just one more document, page 68. Honorarium paid. 68 onwards, my lord. Rest of it is, my lord, honorarium paid to, my lord, the interviewers.
Yes.
But this, my lord, I have shown, my lord, as a specimen.
এইটাতে কি সুন্দর তো ও
My lord, demonstrated from one district what had happened. My lord, my one-line reply after so much labor in answer to an allegation made in the vacuum that S. Basu Roy had done everything is that, my lord, there is no record, no supporting evidence of this allegation that S. Basu Roy had tinkered with the merit assessment.
yes.
Now, my lord, I come to, my lord, the main issue, that is the corruption issue. My lord, much water has,
Corruption you have argued, Mr.
No, no,
You
I'm-
tell us, yes, and first time you argued.
my lord, Mr. Bhattacharya has relied upon the CBI charge sheets. Now, what have they said? My lord, 2 lines have been read. Before and after is not read.
No,
Though-
that is also a tentative document, Mr. Datta.
Definitely.
It does not. That will be your argument.
Question is, my lord, today, my lord, in support of the allegation or the case of corruption, my lord, what has been showed to the court? If I may put a question to myself.
The observations made there, finished. Only observations made there.
My lord, the observation.
You are not required to controvert the observation.
No. I am saying I will demonstrate that the observations are in my favor. My lord,
Please give us the page numbers. We shall go through it.
yes.
Mr. Bhattacharya has referred to pages 64, pages second chart sheet, first
My lord,
chart
Mr.
sheet.
Bhattacharya will definitely place it selectively with utmost respect to him.
Please,
But please also look into, my lord, the what are the final, my lord, observations or
all right,
fine.
you only point out to that effect.
But I have to go through it, my lord, elaborately, my lord. I cannot, my lord, pick up one sentence
So,
from
Mr.
here and there.
Datta, we cannot, chart sheet he has shown us 5 pages. Please shorten, Mr. Datta.
My lord,
Please show us, please tell us that, please read this paragraph. We will
Miller-
go through it.
my lord, may I say this, my lord, with respect, my lord? If, my lord, there are 45 pages are left and 5 pages are only shown to the court, my lord, that will not.
We are asking you, you are quite competent. You can show us that specific portions which can weigh with us. Please show us that. Mr. Datta, have further elaborate submission. We do not want to go in.
My lord, I have.
It again spends time. You give us the pages.
First take, my lord, can 3. First take can 3.
Can?
Can 3 of 2023.
What is that?
My lord, I'm told, my lord, Mr. Bhattacharya has placed from can 3.
No. Can 3 amendments have not been placed.
Yes, amendments have been made. But para 10 onwards, my lord, a few paragraphs have been placed.
ওই দেখো ক্যান 3টা তাহলে বের করে দাও। No, Mr. Datta, you finish up with the chart sheet now. Because those,
My lord,
or you will show us after
I'll
that.
show the can and then go to the church.
Acha, tell us, please read. We are
The can 3.
can
Lord-
3 of 2023.
My lord, Mr. Bhattacharya has relied upon paragraphs 10, 11,
Just.
no. 10
9, 10, 11, 12.
11 and 17.
and 17 also.
Yes. Not only 17, 22 also.
Yes.
We have gone through it, Mr. Datta. You can concise it within another. Yes, can 3, which paragraph you want to show us?
Kindly, will have a look at page para 10 first.
Para 10. Yes. The visas allow him to proceed on his session. If you add further documents, it takes further time. Para 10, yes.
Yes. But in para 10, my lord, he has referred to, my lord, the names of 4 persons. But in that table, there are 2 tables.
Hmm.
The names are common in both the tables. Samiul Islam, Ankush Mondol, Shompa Sarkar.
Common, yes, common.
Now these 4 persons,
First table and the second table.
yes, its names are same.
Yes.
two submissions on this. Number one, all these four candidates are trained candidates. And all of them will not have been appointed under court orders dated 1st of February 2018 and 15th of May 2018.
First of,
1st of February 2018
yes.
and 15th of May 2018.
So they were appointed in terms of court's order.
Court's order. First is trained candidates. Second is
All these are trained.
all trained candidates. How can these be examples? They are not comparables. But unfortunately, my lord, wrong facts are being placed before the court.
Together training after last.
Yes.
Kindly see my paragraph 11, my lord. I need to place all this. It's not.
We are allowing you to place. To place. Please, our request is to shorten.
This is,
Please.
I'm not reading this, but I'm just
Yes.
giving
Next,
bare
please.
minimum that is required. Now, please take
Page.
paragraph number 11. Their lordship finds me out in the next page. There are four names: Kusum Banu, Sudeep Pramanik, Wahadul Islam, and Priyanka Akhtar.
Hmm.
All these four candidates, my lord, were terminated by the board. They, along with other 90 candidates, were
Why terminated?
because, my lord, they did not have the qualification,
And when terminated?
or they were not TET qualified candidates.
When terminated?
Where the
Yes.
board's case is that these people, these four and 90 others, 90 others, that is total 94, got appointment who did not have the TET
State
qualification.
qualification.
Therefore, board cancelled all these appointments, but, my lord, they are working, my lord, under orders of Supreme Court. They are not part of these 32,000. These has to be told to the court. Just bringing in four names to prejudice the court may, in my way, respectful
What
submission.
is the name of that matter? Supreme Court matter?
Somen Nandi Ramesh.
Somen Nandi
Somen
Ramesh.
Nandi Ramesh.
That is in Somen Nandina, that was placed before us.
Yes.
117.
94, malar 89 candidate approved.
Yes, all right.
Without giving opportunity of hearing, that's the reason.
Working in terms of court's order.
Court's order. But we have a copy.
Moment on the matter, we identified them.
Should have said all these things that you have identified them.
Yes.
Right.
Then kindly comes to me at page number, paragraph number 17.
17.
17.
Yes.
Where your lordship finds, my lord, a list of 84 names.
Yes.
My lord, serial number 1 to 81 of this list they don't fall under 2016 recruitment process. But they are these people, Milord, from serial number 1 to 81. But they are of the 2020 recruitment process.
In which training was compulsory.
Yes.
And what is the heading of this column? The following 2014 candidates.
Yes.
Yes, that is written there, selected in 2016 and 2020.
Yes.
Then which are those 2016 recruitment process? Only three.
No, no, no.
1 to 81, you said 2020.
And Milord, 82.
There are three more candidates.
এই তিনটে তো 216 কি 2016 কি 2016 তো হ্যাঁ the 82 to 84 are of 2016 but trained.
No, then what is being sought to being shown to us on the basis of the averment? You have read this paragraph.
Yes.
What they want to say here?
Milord, what they want to say is that people who were less or did not have the qualifications, they were appointed in the 2016 selection process, which is part of the corruption. Or these are, Milord, according to them, Milord, examples or instances of corruption in the 2016 recruitment process. Yes.
So 82 and 84, 82 to 84, they participated in the 2016 recruitment
Yes.
process.
But as trained candidates, we are not, Milord.
They appeared as trained.
Yes. As trained candidates. We are not dealing with a trained candidate's case.
They were, have they been given appointment?
Yes. Milord, if your lordship recollects, Milord, the procedure is that first fill up the post with 10 trained candidates,
Yes, yes.
then untrained, they will get the qualification within 2 years.
All right. Yes, any other paragraph?
Para 18. In para 18, Milord, the allegation against Milord 9 persons are that they were declared as trained candidates illegally. No, ওটা থাকলে দে না।
Yes.
There are two answers to this.
This is of 2016. These
This is
names.
of 2016, but again trained candidates plus they were, Milord, appointed under orders of court.
Now, why they say that they have been declared trained illegally?
Session. Session is it? When the completion. Give one.
মানে এটা বাইরে ছিল আমরা এখান থেকে আনতে পারি না কি বলেছে
What? Challenged? They were declared trained.
My lord, these 3%, these 9%,
Hmm.
they got their training qualification from institutions outside the state. Verifications could not be made within the period by which my lord appointments were made.
So they got training from institutions outside the state.
Yes.
So you did not accept.
Initially give them appointment.
You gave them appointment. You came to learn this fact later.
No, thereafter they moved the court.
Who moved? Who moved? After,
These persons.
but they were appointed.
Subsequently.
Initially appointed.
Of course, subsequently. Yes.
Oh, initially not appointed. Oh, they were appointed in court's order.
Under court's order. The order date is 19th of May 2017.
বলি অন্য অ্যাপেল অ্যালাউ করে দাও, অবরোধ করছে না।
তাই জন্য তো সে আমি
এই অন্য অ্যাপেল অপোজ করার কি আছে?
Yes, Mr. Why didn't you disclose this fact here?
This can is not mine.
So when you yourself are not satisfied, when you
But regarding 4,
no, forget about fourth. He has said, just a moment.
they gave the data. Like
So data has been given. You will send the data.
can 2 mal, not can 3.
Who is can 3?
Dipendu Chatterjee.
So call him. Call Dipendu. On what basis he has given this statement?
He was behind me, Mr. Bhattacharya. He was beside Mr. Bhattacharya.
Wait, no, just a word. This is not a. We want to. Why then, Mr. This becomes a withholding of information.
Chatterjee can apply that, but that is not my. Regarding
You earlier you call first Dipendu.
regarding Malad, who are not that state qualified because they publish 3 lists. Because the whole fact is not placed before the court.
Mr.
Malad,
No, first, whole fact will not be placed. Everybody.
Yes, because of that, Malad, 3 lists published subsequently after Somen Nandi matter. One is that state list, who are the state qualified. Another list is that who got appointment in 2016 by telling that list who are not even state qualified. Kindly peruse the CAN 70 all documents. There are several candidates not even past the TET. Their name featured in the selection list. We tallied these 3 lists. So breakup list and that regarding 94 candidate, my lord, out that 94 candidate, we identified them. After identifying that candidate in Somen Nandi's matter, they says yes, these 94 because CBI and ED gave 3,000 list. Out of that 3,000 list, CAN 70, my lord, the board's affidavit is annexed, my lord, board's report. Out of that CBI and ED report, they says that 94 candidate, they not even passed it, they are in service till 2016 to 2022, my lord.
Then what happened? Then what happened?
Then, my lord, board says that their service will be terminated. They went directly to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court says without giving the
That
opportunity.
is Somen Nandi.
Somen Nandi matter. Because
Yes.
everything happened in the Somen Nandi matter because first CBI direction in Somen Nandi, Ramesh Malik matter, my lord. So not only that, my lord, the selection committee, Sister Emily, my lord, he filed the affidavit. Next day I placed that affidavit, my lord. He not even attend a single meeting, my lord.
Who?
The Sister Emily. Sister Emily, the selection committee, one of the selection committee member, agenda 14, it is mentioned in this.
All right, you finish up.
So,
Finish up.
if, my lord, so
Wait.
what document is required, my lord? There are several anomalies that illegal it is.
All right.
corruption.
Yes.
Then paragraph 18 you have showed us.
Yes, my lord. With the rest, my lord, I don't think, my lord, I need to. Therefore, my lord, Mr. Bhattacharya has chosen to rely on CAN 3 in support of his case that there were gross irregularities. My lord, I have in my own humble way tried to demonstrate before your lordships that none of them are correct.
Yes.
ঠিক আছে
70, my lord.
70.
Yes.
Acha, wait.
The files are here. Yes,
Yes.
But I'm told me that can 70 has not been allowed, subject to correction.
yes. The writ petition is pending after file.
But
after
can
getting
70
the-
has it been allowed or not?
Not allowed,
But finished, matter ends over there.
but.
What is pending in other court? How are we
Are, don't listen to him, you talk with us.
My lord, can 70, my lord, after in pursuance of Somen Nondi's matter, my lord, 3 lists published. After tallying that list, they says on 28 November 2022, board published a notice. In pursuance of court order, they published a list. Very next day, they says that list is erroneous. We will file error-free list. We publish the error-free list. Till date, from 2022 to today, no list is published.
So that is subject matter of a separate proceeding.
Yes,
That is
but the
pending.
subject matter is that it is a selection process. There is a
There had been illegal.
There must be a panel, either panel with the board or as Basu Roy
Ajay, let
Company.
us,
There
let
is
him
no
finish.
such panel. Place that panel.
Don't repeat that. He will answer that. He will answer. Yes.
And not only that, just one thing.
Wait.
Regarding S Basu Roy Company, where is the prior government approval? And-
We have questioned them.
But-
We have asked. Yes. Yes, Mr.
Millard, with respect, Millard, my learned friend should make a distinction between, if at all, an error in the procedure and corruption. These two things are not the same. Your lordships are hearing service matters every day.
Yes.
Where Millard points are placed before your lordship that this the error over here, that is the error over here. He has been discriminated. Somebody has been superseded. These are not Millard facets of corruption. The corruption is completely different thing. Just trying to pick up holes here and there and shouting corruption. Now, in a case where I come before the court saying that I have got higher number, a person who has secured lesser number has been appointed. Your lordships are dealing with these matters almost every day. Now, what does the writ court do? The writ court, Millard, sets right the wrong or corrects the erroneous process.
Yes.
Millard, that is not corruption.
This you have argued at.
Yes. No. Because of these side talks, Millard, I get, I mean, overzealous.
Yes.
Now, this is a very shiny word. Now, Millard, kindly take Millard. So many Millard litigations were filed. There's large scale corruption. State police machinery will not be impartial. Let it go to a third agency, which is absolutely impartial, to instill confidence in the members of the public. Let it go before the CBI. Now, this process had gone before the CBI. Now, kindly look into, Millard, the CBI charge sheets. Millard, your lordships are not in an inquisitorial proceedings. Unfortunately, Millard, in
Yes.
my
What you want to show from this?
yes. Now please take Millard the
But
charge
you have
sheets.
not answered our query as
Which one,
regards
sir?
publication of panel. Whether there was any publication.
Yes,
of
Millard.
panel?
Millard, I'll give you a lordship Millard examples. Number one is, Millard, as your lordships have seen, Millard, the rule, Millard, does not.
You have said that.
Yes.
There is no
Number
provision.
two, yes. Number two is, Millard, the lists were published, Millard, in the respective councils' boards.
Any document, any letter.
Yes, I'll tell you, lordship, why. Now, how do it is
It was published on the respective
respective?
DPCs.
Yes. Millard, litigations were filed galore, Millard, challenging those lists, saying that he has jumped over me, he has superseded me, etc. Now, how did these people, Millard, make these or file these litigations? Because they got the
That is a contrary answer you are giving. We are asking a simple question. Was the panel published?
yes, Millard, in the respective councils.
But that
Office
was
of the
not
Council.
stated in the affidavit of the president. This
The orders
publication.
are there. I'll show me that one or two orders.
Yes, yes. So
Yes.
apprise us on that
Yes.
issue.
Well, please take, my lord, one of the orders, for example. এটা কোথায় পাবে?
So that you want us to point out orders which were writ petitions were preferred with averments that panel has been
Yes,
published, and we secured more marks and we have been not given. That was the allegation.
My lord, if your lordship may kindly take me one order of justice, single judge's order, my lord, of Justice Orijit Banerjee.
Yes. Which paragraph?
But I think Mr. Mujumdar had placed it,
Yes,
right?
yes, both has both Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya and
Yes.
Orijit Banerjee. Orijit Banerjee, his lordship says, inquisitorial process, roving inquiry, I
Yes.
will not enter
Yes.
into it. Justice Bhattacharya accepted that view. But show us that line, show us the line.
All the writ petition panel were annexed. That writ petition I will come and show that filed the writ petition 2017-18 annexing the panel. There are
Show
several
us,
writ petitions.
show us, or we have not been given that.
এই ছোটুর কাছে থাকে
Orijit Banerjee order, you have given me the order.
Even Justice Banerjee's order, it was recorded, it was a public document.
বের কর না, লাইনটা বের কর না। কেন আমাদের বের কর না?
Do you have it with you? Very good. We take note of that. You produce that certified copy.
সেটা বলছি আছে।
In your compilation. Can you give, yes, item number, you give us the page numbers, look into it. Yes, Mr. Dotto, proceed.
My lord, paragraph 21 of Justice Banerjee's order.
Yes, tell us what has been said.
But for ready reference, may I hand over? Will you just look into it? I'll take that.
Para 21.
21. কি রে?
WP 6894W of 2070. Yes. Paragraph 21. আমি কোথায় yes, para 21.
Para 21. Further,
কিছু নেই। Oxford ব্যাপার বলছে
আমি একটু ইজি করে দেবো ব্যাপারটা, তোমার একটু ব্যাপারটা ইজি করে দেবো।
তোমার কিছু করতে হবে না, অনেক উপকার করেছে।
Your Lordship, the writ petition number,
Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya.
Obiul Sheikh is Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya, right?
All right, we shall look.
Yes.
Your statement, you are making a statement with sufficient. You must have seen that is
Yes,
why
madam.
that panels were enclosed there.
That panels were enclosed.
Very
Under
good.
Paragraph 28-29 of W Sheikh writ petition.
Achha.
কিন্তু জজ সাহেবকে তো
Para 28
28-29 of the writ petition being number,
of Hiranmoy Bhattacharya order.
yes, yes.
Huh?
Several writ petitions were there which were heard by Justice.
Yes, Robiul. We remember Robiul. Paragraphs.
Paragraph WP number 23102 of 2018.
Achha, read para 28.
May I just read paragraph? Yes. 27, 28, 26 onwards.
No, read that line now.
Yes, yes. That that from the list of the impaneled candidates of Bengali medium in respect of district
Impaneled.
Malda into the affair,
Impaneled.
the last cutoff marks of getting impaneled was so and so. That the list of impaneled candidates of Bengali medium in respect of district
Stated
Malda
নাম্বারটা
shown
বলো তো,
last
নাম্বারটা
available
বলো, stated নাম্বারটা বলো।
list of impaneled candidates
Yes.
in Bengali in respect
Impaneled
of Malda are annexed here to and marked with attachment.
My lord, to make the things easier, my lord, in respect of Can 9, I have annexed 3 such lists. In Can 9, I have annexed list of 3 DPSCs.
But
Malda, Murshidabad, Dinajpur.
27, 28, 26, 27, 28
Yes, yes.
of the
There's a merit list, my lord.
petition 29. 26 to 29 of the writ petition,
Of Robiu.
and this writ petition was filed, this was prior in the point of time, the writ petition of 2018, and these writ petitions have been filed in the year 2022.
My
And
lord,
there are common petitions.
my lord, in
There are common petitions.
My lord, in Can 9, my lord, I have annexed 3 merit lists of Malda, Murshidabad, and Uttar Dinajpur. At the time of my argument, I have showed that it was my argument that it was a merit list, not a panel in respect of section 8 or 12.
We have taken note of it. But the definition of panel says list of names.
12. And that should be published as in terms of section 7. my lord.
Definition of panel says list of names.
In respect of section 7 of the rule 7, my lord, state selection committee,
Panel.
state level committee will publish that. Not the DPSC.
Section,
Rule 7, my lord. Paper book, my lord.
just a moment. Rule 7.
Rule 7.
1111.
Definition is 2L, my lord.
Yes.
Definition is 2L.
7.
And rule 7.
Rule 7, yes.
Rule 7 says selection committee.
Eh.
The board shall constitute selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council with the following council. Subsequently, it was amended.
Acha Baba, where is that line? What you are showing?
Definition of panel, my lord, kindly.
My lord, my lord. My lord, can-
2L, panel means
We have seen that.
my lord, my lord.
by the board, not by the DPSC.
My lord, 7. My lord,
Kindly
rule.
see the definition of panel.
Yes.
Kindly see the definition of panel. Panel means a list of names of the eligible and selected candidates for appointment as teacher in primary school, published by the board according to the rule, not by the DPSC. Because why this rule is incorporated in the year 2016.
All right, all right.
At the time,
That Mr. Bhattacharya has argued.
And my lord, the point I was making, my lord. Rule 7, a selection committee. The board shall constitute selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council with the following names. Within the jurisdiction of the council, that was the rule. Subsequently, that was the change, and it became the jurisdiction of the board. And next, my lord, 8. 8 is the procedure for preparation of the panel. Rule 8.
That you have placed. That we are not on that. Yes, Mr.
And I refer to section.
What is Bhagavanas boss? Yes. Finished, Mr.
But on the panel, just one half line. Half line.
Line.
He says that panel means a panel published by the board.
Hmm.
It is not that the panel was not published by the board. It was published, hung up, Millard, at the respective.
Not DPSC, by the board.
Why do you talk to me?
Panel was
Have the
panel was published, but you stuck it up as a list of names.
in respective school councils. Look, these have been challenged. This has been given effect to Miller under orders of court.
Panel was is panel was published by the board and the district wise lists were affixed at
The same one
respective
of the respective districts were hung up, Millard, at the respective. And Millard, the 2016 panel was a district-wise panel.
No, it was amended.
that was amended.
And
was
state-wise
amended.
panel was in 2020.
No. 16
No.
amended.
Yes, yes.
2016 was amended.
September amendment.
Yes.
Board was given the power, taken away from DPS.
Right.
So now you are saying panel was published by the board and hung up in the respective walls of DPSC.
Right.
And their contention is that there was no publication of any panel by the board, who is the competent authority,
Yes.
more so in terms of the amendment.
Yes.
This is
But
their
according to them, then Miller, they have to tell the court, according to them, who had prepared the panel then.
no, your argument is this list of names were already dealt with in prior litigations. That
Prior
had been
litigation.
your argument.
Yes, yes. Yes.
All right.
September amendment.
এটা কে দিয়েছে দিয়ে দাও। এই মনিকাটা কে হাত দিয়েছে? Yes. এটা এটা হচ্ছে মনিকার প্যারা। You showed Monica para 21.
21.
That is in which paragraph in reported order? এটাই তো পাবো না। Yes, para 20. ওরে injustice অরিজিৎ ব্যানার্জি।
With Justice Bhattacharya's order was also placed before my lord.
এটার সময়
Come to page 460. No, not before that. Answer our query. I did জিজ্ঞেস করে দাও। No, not required, sir.
Madam, kindly can't pay.
Yes.
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 Please,
Sir,
madam.
kindly have a look to Lord.
One,
Let him complete, let him complete.
board give the direction to the S. Basu Roy Company. For five words, nothing more, nothing less. Kindly turn page number 130.
What?
Kindly turn page number 130.
We
It's
will,
the board
if,
document.
very good, we will come back to you if
Madam,
required. Yes, you complete. Mr.
135 টাকা
Well, please have a look. One paragraph of justice here on my Bhattacharya's order. Just one paragraph.
135 টা দাও
That Mr. Bojumdar said, no?
Kindly have a look. Lord.
Robiul.
Robiul.
Acha, which
I'll read it for your lordship. Just give me a moment.
paragraph?
It's paragraph 15, 1-5. So kindly have a look from this.
No, not required. You tell us now. You read, Richard.
In the affidavit of the board, it has been stated in details how Rule 8.5 was followed by the concerned authority. It was specifically stated therein that the eligible candidates were divided into two sections, namely trained and untrained, and also that the candidates were segregated into earmarked and non-earmarked vacancies. The affidavit further states that two sets of panels, one on merit basis and the other on the basis of merit amongst caste category-wise candidates in terms of Rule 8.5 of 2016 rules were also prepared. The said affidavit also speaks about preparation of an alternative set of panels as required under Rule 854 of the 2016 rules and an additional panel in terms of Rule 86 of the 2016 rules. The affidavit further disclosed as to how counseling was conducted. Then, Millard, apropos your lordship's
Yes,
Millard,
yes,
this para
Now,
50
Mr. Dotto, chart sheet, which portion you want to say?
Yes. Now, Millard, today, Millard, we have uh, the initial chart sheet
Four,
and 4 supplementary chart sheet.
three for supplement,
3 and Millard, the final one
four.
has also come. Final one possibly Millard has not been placed, but please look into these chart sheets. Very, very selectively, Millard, I'll place. On page 42 of the bail application,
Bail application.
yes, Mr. Bhattacharya had handed over Millard a copy.
No, Mr. Bhattacharya has, I can give you the page numbers which Mr. Bhattacharya has given.
But I know Millard which were placed by Mr. Bhattacharya. But there are certain other portions which I would like to Millard.
Please show us, please show us.
But
In
for
brief,
example, Millard, yes, to shorten it, your lordships may directly come to Millard page 51.
this is the first supplementary chart sheet,
First initial chart sheet.
page 51.
Well, please take me at page number 51. It starts from 42. Investigation, well, the last paragraph over there, second last paragraph. Investigation conducted so far has revealed that the accused so-and-so collected a sum of so-and-so during the period from 2016 to 2022 from 141 undeserving candidates, either through 8 agents or directly from the undeserving job aspirants candidates by giving assurance that the candidates will get job as teachers in primary school through TET 14. Investigation also revealed, so far revealed that Taposh Mondal had connected cash from the following agents. Then Millard, there is a table. Please take the next page. After the first table, during investigation, the following candidates were also examined who stated that they had paid cash directly to so-and-so. Then after the table, investigation conducted so far revealed that so-and-so had collected the following amount. Then Millard, these are Millard, how Millard the money went from one person to another. Kindly take Millard page 53, last 5 lines. Investigation also revealed that so-and-so agent of so-and-so also collected so-and-so from 2 such undeserving candidates, namely so-and-so and so-and-so, and delivered it to so-and-so for arranging appointments. However, neither of the said candidates got the job. Can you take the next page? Next paragraph. Investigation has revealed that when the aforesaid undeserving candidate did not get the job, he demanded refund of money. Then can you take the next paragraph? With the fraud which they are saying is completely different from what is projected to the court. Then investigation, where page 54, the last paragraph, investigation further revealed that a website by the name of so-and-so was created where undeserving candidates who did not qualify the TET 14 exam was purportedly shown as qualified for the purpose of extorting money. So why website created, undeserving candidates shown, these are not by the board. Undeserving candidates shown, why? For the purpose of Millard alluring them to part with money. Then what is very important is page 55.
So who created this
But
website?
these are not the private persons, the other accused, Taposh and all that.
All right, then
Kindly take by the next page, the first paragraph. Investigation has also revealed that an email was sent to the undeserving candidates from whom money was collected from email, wherein it was mentioned that their names were included in the present merit list. However, no such candidates' names were included in the valid merit list panel of WBBP. My panel did not have those names. যাচ্ছি যাচ্ছি দাঁড়া এই তো 55 তো আরে
yes,
then Millard, who are involved, Millard, the middle of that page. Thus, the aforesaid acts on the part of the accused persons, namely so and so, constitutes offense under so and so. But initially, Millard, the fraud that they detected was that money was taken from people. They did not get the job. They were shown as persons who were put up in the names appeared in the panel, but that panel was not of the board.
yes,
Now, kindly take me, Lord, the first supplementary charge sheet, which starts from page 61. But I'll not take much of your lordship's time. But this is the fraud.
we
No.
started at 210.
210.
Yes, yes. Page.
Millard, it starts from page
60,
64.
yes, page 60. That is the first supplementary.
Yes. Now, here your lordship will find the investigation result is that the board does not declare them as passed.
Board did not.
Declared these persons who have been defrauded as passed. Kindly take para 17 at page 69. This is
Board does that none
no,
of their
that
names.
was the first charge sheet. Now, this is the supplementary one. The next one. Please take me to page 69.
69.
Yes.
Result of investigation.
Yes. Here they speak of the previous charge sheet. In the charge sheet filed on so-and-so, it was mentioned that a website by the name of so-and-so was created where undeserving candidates who did not qualify the TET 14 exam were purportedly shown as qualified for the purpose of extorting money from them. It was revealed during investigation that the name of the website was forwarded by so-and-so to his sub-agents further to candidates where they were asked to check the result of the candidates. Investigation revealed that on checking the result in the website, the candidates were purportedly shown as passed. The said website was created in a manner which resembled the original website bearing logo and other attributes of the original website. However, originally candidates did not qualify the exam as per result of NIC. Well, NIC is my website. Government engaged by yes. My results were in the NIC website.
Your results were given in the website.
NIC website.
Yes.
Kindly take the next three lines. That during further investigation, it revealed that the fake was a website by the name and style was created by accused so-and-so, who had purchased the domain so-and-so.
Yes.
Then, Millard, in the next page, Millard, I have already placed, Millard, what was the function of S. Basu Roy. That is made at page 70. I've already placed this.
Role of confidential processor.
Right.
Yes.
Then please take me, Lord, page number 73 bottom.
এটাই আমারটা, হ্যাঁ তাহলে আমারটা কোথায়?
73 bottom, the last three lines. Investigations has revealed that S. Basu Roy have assisted so and so in responding to RTI queries by checking and supply of OMR scanned copies till the first year of publication of TET 14 result, which belies the claim of the accused person that the OMR scanning was not done and scanned images were not kept. The non-availability of the image copies of the OMR establishes that both WBBPE and partners of S. Basu Roy had deliberately destroyed the scanned copies of OMR to ensure that irregularities remained undetected. The role of the officials of WBBPE in the entire conspiracy will be looked into during the course of further investigation. Now, this is one part which is against me, where I have shown.
Yes.
Then, in that page, kindly take the last line at page 74. Thus, there was continuous monitoring of the data, and even then, Kaushik Maji of S. Basu Roy allowed multiple registration against single roll number, destroying the cause for which the web portal was created. An actual total of 118,471 qualified candidates had registered online in the web portal. It further revealed that after the online registration of the qualified candidates of TET 14, the attendance broadsheets were printed by S. Basu Roy, which were supplied to Board of Primary Education.
Now, what is this OMR you are talking? That
But
page
the
70?
OMR TET.
TET 14.
That was state. All right.
But I've told you this is a subject matter of another writ petition.
Which one?
This state aspect. TET 14, the alleged irregularities in the TET 14 is the subject matter of a different writ petition.
Yes. Can
Now
we say
I-
thank you now? Can we say thank you now?
Where could I then, in that case, could I do one thing? Permit me to hand up a paper.
No further documents. You, acha, place. Which more page you want?
We're only indicating
The page numbers of this?
paragraph numbers of the 5 chart sheets that I intend to place to show that no irregularities have been found in respect of the 2016 recruitment process, except, I'll tell you, I'll give the exact number. Except 360. Please write down two figures. One is 264. Irregularities have been found in respect of 264 persons who were all trained candidates.
Now you are saying whose version is this?
This
One,
is the
two,
CBI's investigation result as of now.
Yes. CBI investigation. That is the chart sheet.
Yes, from the chart sheets.
So you are saying 264 irregularities were found in respect of 264 candidates.
No, 264 plus 96. I am categorizing into two parts. Total is 360. 264 plus 96. Now, who are these 264? These are all trained candidates.
Who are outside the scope of this dispute.
Yes. But these people, Millard, were awarded 1 marks because, Millard, there was one question which had
That was
2
in
correct
Suman
answers.
Nondi. That is referred to in Suman Nondi? Huh? Ramesh Malik. Yes.
But
Which went up to the Supreme Court and stayed.
yes. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr.
Therefore, in respect of only
264 was trained.
was trained in respect of these 264 Millard, some
Irregularities?
irregularities have been found.
And so far 96?
So far as 96 are concerned, Millard, these are also trained, but the difference is they were terminated and they are all working under orders of the Supreme Court.
They are not within 32.
But neither
Just.
I'm
They are trained,
terminated by
but
board.
that training was found to be wrong. That is why you terminated.
No,
Not
they were
Oh,
not
that-
at all qualified. Those were the 4 ones of Karnataka and all, 4 or 5 outside state.
That in your can number 70 paragraph 12.
Can 3.
Acha, we shall check. These, so far as these 96 are concerned,
They are also
trained.
terminated by the board.
Why
working-
terminated? Why terminated?
Because the board didn't, since they were not TET
Outside
qualified, they were not recommended by us. But they somehow got it, so it was terminated.
Qualification. They did not have the requisite qualification.
Yes, that is not TET qualified.
94 out of 96.
Hmm.
ঠিক আছে?
Yes.
So, Millard, the CBI's investigations result after I am told, Millard,
Give us that page only, this 264 and 96. Do you have that page? I'll give that page to us only.
this your lordship will not have. This is paragraph 29 of the final charge sheet. Final charge sheet is not before your lordships.
Oh,
But I have it. If your lordship permits me, I can hand up. Because when Mr.
you just give us the Xerox of that page. Give a copy to them and give it. Oh, this is a chart sheet. You need not give. You
But
give
the
us a
certified
copy.
copy. Did it?
No. This is a final chart sheet. Which page you said?
Where it is para 29 at page 36. Just have a look to only one paragraph.
36. দাও একটু।
ধীরে। এই তো।
You read now, Mr. Dotto, you read.
Thus, it has emerged that recommendation letters in favor of 96 candidates
Recommendation by whom?
were the so-called recommendation by us, who failed to qualify TET 14, and 264 undeserving candidates, that is the mark dispute, who had managed to qualify after award of 1 mark, had been generated by the WBBP. Such recommendation letters form the basis of appointment of all these unqualified, undeserving 360 candidates, within brackets 96 plus 264. It has emerged that these recommendation letters issued by the WBBP has been sent to the respective primary district school councils, on the basis of which DPSCs had issued appointment letters
Yes.
to the 360 undeserving.
Please give us a Xerox copy of that page.
Only that page.
That will suffice. You are not placing any other page from there.
No, Mirror,
Acha, you give the copy now.
but I want to place Mirror.
Final chart sheet.
Final
But this is the final result. And therefore, please consider one thing now. Corruption. Let it go to the CBI, goes to the CBI. CBI today finds irregularities in respect of only 360 candidates, not untrained. They are all trained candidates, for which 32,000 people will lose their job. So this would be the final result.
All right.
But only I have left with one point, that is Mr. Sabir Ahmed's analysis.
Mr. Shabir. Eh? Yes. Those who were appointed having got less marks.
বোর্ড ছিল, অনেকগুলো ছিল।
ওটা আমাদের কাছে আছে তো।
আলমগীর ছিল।
in 3 to 4 applications,
Yes, my lord.
this allegation was there of rank jumping.
Yes, yes. My lord, first is, my lord, may I tell your lordship one thing, my lord?
Hmm.
Mr. Sabir Ahmed has tried to, my lord, supplement something which is not in the original cause of action, corruption. This cannot be a corruption. Even then, my lord, I'll deal with each of them.
No, no. If suppose there is a rank jumping explicit,
Yes.
what should be the process to be to be undertaken?
My lord,
They will say that it is also an irregularity. They
it has to be undone.
that they can get the relief in the writ petitions which they have
But
prepared.
I am told, my lord, some of them has filed writ petition.
And already some have got the benefit.
No, no one.
But I am told only one has got the benefit.
Ajmer Bham, the order cited by Mr. Ahmed, but only one.
Yes.
My lord,
Yes,
so-
then what is your argument to that?
my lord, first is, my lord, I have been told that your lordships had allowed Mr. Sabir Ahmed to make submissions or make this analysis on the presumption that this is in respect of only one subject, that is Bengali. This I am told, my lord. Again, my lord, I do not know whether, my lord, my information
That
is
is
correct.
his statement in the application. Only in respect of Bengal.
My lord, the chart or the instances which my learned friend Mr. Sabir Ahmed has given suffers from two discrepancy. Number one, all the examples are not of the same subject.
Subject, medium. Based on
Medium,
subject.
medium.
Yes.
And number two, they don't correspond with the district. Suppose, my lord, I am from, say, Uttar Dinajpur. My lord, I am being compared with somebody from Midnapur and said that I have less mark, I have got appointment, but Midnapur person has not got it.
No, no,
So that comparison cannot be made.
that's not what he said.
Yes, that
Given a chart
yes.
of a particular district, and of that particular district, the candidate he's representing was a
That is what has been represented to the court.
correct.
We have done our research and have found that all of them, or rather most of them, I won't say all of them, all of them, all of them, my lord, the comparisons are made between persons of different districts.
No, but there's the district code is given.
No, there is a TET district code.
Mm-hmm.
My lord, this my lord, for স্বামী আমাদের ওটা বেতন যেটা জজ স্যার
Page 220.
I mean, the can 4.
Can 4, page 220. 160 থেকে 220.
All right. You have
So, my lord, this chart also, my lord, which we have prepared, I'll hand up to the court, where we have made the distinction as against Bengali, there is comparison is made with Santhali. As against Bengali, comparison is made with Hindi. Even Telugu, I find.
Santali.
Urdu. And, my lord, different districts. But kindly permit me to hand up one chart with few examples. And the long charts that he has given, everything is, my lord, there's complete discrepancy.
একটা
Well,
উদাহরণ দিন, একটা উদাহরণ দাও, একটা উদাহরণ।
Therefore, my lord, what I say is, my lord, these are not comparables. He ought to have shown from the same district, in the same subject, somebody with lesser marks has got appointment.
Mr. Kishore Dotto, learned senior advocate appeared. So only for one madam was appearing. She will say first. She said that she will take 10 minutes from us. Either Mr. Mojumdar, we request you that whatever you are saying in reply, if any other thing is to be said in reply by the other advocates, please you advance it to us so that we can conclude the hearing. And Mr. Dotto, as regards this comparable, not comparable, you are saying, you show us because he has shown us from can.
Yes.
5 minutes this can be done.
No, Mr. Sanyal can do that.
Lord, may I just assist your lordship? Your lordship kindly come to this chart given by Mr. Sabir Ahmed. Kindly come to page 66.
No,
One of
we
the
are,
examples, cited 3 out of this. I will take your lordship one by one.
no, that is what you are saying, that these are not comparable. You want to show us the case.
একটা দেখি তো
Clarify it to your lordship how?
Yes, yes.
Kindly come to page 66.
We again have to bring out that entire topic, no, that has gone to our chamber. পেয়েছো কি? পেয়েছো কি?
এইটাই
This
এইটা
one.
চারটা না, এটার সাথে দিও একটু আমাকে। এইটা কি বাবা পার্টি? এটা তো সাহেবের কপি। আমারটা কি ইয়েতে আছে? চেম্বারে আছে। Yes, page
Page
6.
66. It
Yes.
starts from page 66.
Hmm.
Your lordship, Jagannath Mishra, the bottom, and just bottom page 66. This was specially mentioned by Mr. Sabir Ahmed.
যা যা। Page 66.
Bottom, bottom.
অরিন্দম মিশ্র। অরিন্দম মিশ্র।
Jagannath Mishra, page 66.
There is no Jagannath.
This is bottom.
Jagannath Mishra.
সুদেব কান্তি, অমিত চ্যাটার্জি, অরিন্দম মিশ্র।
Exactly. Top, just above that, Jagannath Mishra.
ও আচ্ছা, জগন্নাথ মিশ্র। Yes.
He was telling Jagannath Mishra with these 3. The Jagannath Mishra at the right hand side 14 marks, the other secured lesser marks.
page
Now, see here, this 17 roll number, this is district code.
Hmm.
And the rest is the roll number. Matlab, state roll number was an unique number used in the recruitment process. State roll number was the candidate of the roll number. Now, in the application form, option was given to all the candidates. You can choose your district. Suppose I belong to Purulia. I can choose Alipurduar. Because matlab, vacancies are different. Purulia 100, Alipurduar 1000. This option was given to the candidates. Now, your lordship, kindly see the next. Sudebna Kanti Banerjee. He also belongs to Purulia. 17. All are 17. These 3.
No, we don't follow what you are saying. Jagannath Mishra secured 14, which is higher than the 3 candidates who
According
secured.
to them.
Yes, then what
Now
is
your
your
lordship,
explanation?
I tell you, lordship, Jagannath Mishra applied, belongs to Purulia district.
That is
He
17.
applied for Purulia.
That is 17.
17. Now
Yes.
the other 3,
They also applied for.
no, they belong to Purulia, but they applied for other districts.
But how will we know that?
I tell you, that's what I'm saying, you know. Sky level Lucas, Sudeb Kanti Banerjee. He was appointed in Uttar Dinajpur.
Where do you find that?
But that's what I'm saying, Mala. My instruction.
appointment letter আছে
What about page 60?
No, how this has been done?
তাহলে page 60 টা কি
We
পুরো
will
হলো
keep the
পুরুলিয়া?
appointment letter.
বলছি বাকি।
At the time of counseling যাবে।
তুমি দিনাজপুর বের করো না, দিনাজপুর জেনারেটর থেকে কম।
So both of them has chosen 17.
No, 17 is the district code number for state. The same roll number continued for the
Yeah,
recruitment
17 is the district code.
process. Oh, district code.
40.
Only
It is the district code for TET.
state.
Yes.
Now, this roll number carried in
আরে
the
প্রতীকেরটা
recruitment
কি হবে?
process.
প্রতীক তো 21
Pride
পয়েন্ট
and
পেয়েছে।
delegation. Now, in the recruitment process, he had the option to choose particular district. Instead of Purulia also, he can choose Purulia or else district.
So this 17 is the district code for TET,
TET.
which is automatic. You
Auto-
cannot choose.
No,
As you hail from Purulia, you have to be Purulia.
That's it. Then you'll also all the three candidates out of
Then Jagannath Mishra,
Applied for which district?
Purulia.
He's from Purulia,
He
applied.
applied for
You are saying this Shudev Kanti and others, somebody. in
applied
some
for
other-
other districts.
How do we know that?
But that's how I will show the appointment letters.
then what difference does it make? Then
Doesn't
their number should be compared with the persons in the
In
district.
only there, what district they appoint.
Yeah.
District by- Now I tell your lawsuits.
What about page 60?
The highest vacancy. So he applied, he had the option, he calculated.
Acha, where is that provision for option in the advertisement?
Advertisement.
No, no,
Oh,
please
yes.
give us the number, na?
Not, main
Provision
number,
for option,
option.
26 September 2016.
Clause, I give you a lawsuit. এই অপশনটা কোথায় গেল জানো?
না, না, ওরা তো পিক এন্ড চুজ করছে, ওরা তো পেজ 60টাও কনসিডার করতে পারে। বলছি মালাট, আমিও বলছি। What about page 60?
Very good, you find it out.
426 জন যার পেছনে চাকরি করছে। তাহলে
একটা উদাহরণ দেখি কি করে
24 পরগনার 14 পয়েন্ট, আরেকজন 24 পরগনার What are they saying? Pinky Pal is from 24 Pargana. She has got 18 per 18.
না তো আমার যখন আমি করে দিই
স্যার ওটা নর্থ 24 পরগনা।
They have told from other district, Mr. Sannal.
Your lawsuits have the.
No, no, TET, you said TET is residences, residence related. TET is residence related, but choice, when I apply for recruitment, when I apply online after successful being test, yeah. Now, say that at that time I have an option whether I will choose Purulia or will I. That is, as if the vacancies are more in another district, I will choose for it's better.
No, that I read out to your lawsuit.
So that is like past category option and postgraduate category option.
That's like that. Not here choice have been given to the candidate district wise panel. Now suppose Malad in Purulia district 100 vacancies. I can assess that I will not get a chance.
Is what you are showing?
That's Malad, the recruitment.
আমার রেকর্ড থেকে আমি যাচ্ছি।
Option
চটপট করেছে।
option is clause
Clause, I tell you, qualification clause. 3. Now, candidate your lawsuit, I just read out to your lawsuit.
very difficult. So just think about our our problems.
I have submission.
Acha, you check it up and tell us.
My lord, your lordship remembers me on the last occasion, rising my lord, I mentioned that one submission, your lordship remembered that next day your lordship will incorporate that. My lord, on 29th October, it was recorded by your lordship that Mr. Bhattacharya appeared for can so I said that 2 more cans are required to be incorporated because he also appeared for those cans also.
Oda একটা line লিখে নাও তো।
And my lord, another thing,
Yeah,
your lordship,
let us go one by one.
Just one. The lawsuits kindly, I'm handing over for your lawsuits noting. Pencil mark, in the rule itself also says that.
Tell us the rule না।
I just hand over.
দাও ওনাকে দাও না, রুলটা দাও ওনাকে, উনি বের করুন।
They will reply to them. না না ওরা
What is rule? What rule?
My lord, 2016 rules as amended.
As amended.
As amended.
এটাই আছে। এটা আছে না। Which rule you are saying?
My lord, rule 4, Sub-rule 6. Now 7. After 6, inserted 7.
Page.
Page your lordship's 15. This is our, I do not know whether tally.
Rule 6 is 7.
আরে বাবা, হ্যাঁ। এই তো সবাই চাকরি করছে এরা কোথায়? লেটার দিয়ে দিয়েছি।
7 হচ্ছে
কিন্তু দেখো না যেদিনকে ভট্টাচার্য অ্যাপিয়ার করেছিল ফর হুম বলেছি ওই আগের অর্ডার শিটটা ওকে একটু দাও তো।
4, 7.
হ্যাঁ 4
চাকরি করছে।
Mr. Sannal, you just tell us on that day.
7.
পরের দিন বলে
120.
12 তারিখ বলে দিও। না কবে রাখলেন?
129.
Right.
Yes.
Science candidate may be allowed to apply for the post of a primary teacher only against a statewide division.
কালকে বলে দিও, আজকে রাখো। কালকে বলে দিও।
I got tomorrow.
Everybody is excited.
That's your losses. That's why I'm showing the amendment itself.
আরে কালকে বলে দিস, কালকে বলে দিস।
I'm sorry. Page 124.
Well, it's better your lordship hears tomorrow on this issue. 5 minutes.
No, are hearing.
Not me.
No, he will not argue. Show us that. Show us.
Well, your losses.
Next date only Mr. Mojumdar and his colleagues if they want to.
Mark
find.
4. Well, kindly see rule 4 B.
Rule 4.
B. After sub-rule 6, insert the following sub-rule. Then 7 inserted. Any candidate shall be allowed.
Rule 4 rule 4.
Rule 4.
Amended rule.
Amended rule. Rule
Right.
4. Kindly skip over A. B.
B in sub-rule
After
3.
sub-rule 6, insert the following sub-rule.
সেটা মিলছে না তো।
It's 7.
ও তো একটা দিকে
After
রুটলো কি করে?
Page 124.
124. After sub-rule B,
B.
insert the following sub-rule. Any
Six, after
candidate shall
sub-rule
be
six,
allowed to
Any candidate shall be allowed to apply for the post of a primary school teacher of a particular council only against the post.
So this was on 23rd. When was the advertisement? 26th.
And this clause was specific.
So amendment was brought about prior to
But
all the amendments.
all them.
Then how did become a district-wise panel?
Yes.
If board is the authority, board is to publish the panel,
Yes, my lord.
then how district-wise distribution is there?
Election process was district-wide.
No, it was board.
What is it?
District-wide.
Every day
And
is
this
changing
law
chances.
specifically
Millard 8-5. Millard, kindly have a look to 8-5.
Tomorrow we are concluding the hearing. This much please take note of. Tomorrow we
8-5.
are concluding. Page?
8-5. Rule 8-5.
What you tell now? What you
District wise panel.
Yes, that we have seen. They are arguing. Please explain to us if district-wise panel underwent a change, amendment, that board is with the authority in publishing the panel. Then how did you continue with that old process, giving the powers vested upon the respective DPSCs? Your argument was that panel was of the board, but this was given to the respective districts for publication and attachment on the wall of the district
No, it was
DPSC.
never done.
This is your argument.
Yes. Therefore, board prepared it district wise, displayed in the respective DPSCs of.
Whatever.
Panel preparation task was given to the Basu Roy Company.
My lord,
Just
Page number 1.
that they are choosing blood one particular candidate, but in the first blood I have also 60. 60, Purulia. There are 426 persons.
I explain each of them.
my lord, I will not trouble your lordship, my
Yes,
lord.
it got 21.957. Then even if I say in Purulia also,
If we do not set aside the selection process, you get that benefit in
Right.
your pending writ petition.
My lord, I will not trouble your
I
lordship.
could
I have,
find that 20% who are also
So
working.
you can, your issue is whether, why you are being added. on the basis that if you set aside the recruitment process on the basis of this allegation of rank jumping. This is one aspect of it. And the other aspect was you said that I have already taken my point in the writ petition, but this point I am placing it to the court so that this can help in striking down the entire process. So we asked you, your argument is.
So that's my,
My lord,
yes,
my
my
lord.
point is, Lord, because I have portrayed before your lordship that there are many candidates who have secured less mark than me, but in service. I say,
You are not concerned with the well-being.
no, no,
of
I'm only.
My lord.
If you get the job, you're happy.
But there are
My lord.
vacancies. There are vacancies because in the charge sheet they have said, CBI has also said there are as many as 1,300 candidates who have been secured job adopting malpractice. So, my lord, those vacancies are there. Kindly accommodate me in
My
that.
lord, this was
Because
my
that's the
What did you
purpose of
say
what we are
about
also-
this
my lord,
panel?
my lord, may I, my lord?
What did you say about this code number? What you are saying? This is which
My
is
lord, my
pointed
lord.
out by him.
My lord, Leonard, whatever my learned friend is saying about the code number, it is correct. It is correct. For example, I am from Kolkata. I am seeing vacancies are there in the district of Murshidabad. I will opt for Murshidabad. That is fact. No doubt in that. In Can 9, I have submitted my notes on argument before your lordship. In my notes on argument, a dedicated paragraph is there on this point. What happened, my lord? I have categorically showed the fraud has been committed upon the reserve category candidates. Why? Reserve category candidates, the person who scored better marks than the general category candidate. I have given example, I have given proof in Can 9 and page has been mentioned in my notes on argument that a fraud has been committed. For that they have not got the job. If the proper selection process was done, if rule 8.5 was followed, we would have get appointment. My point is very simple, my lord. About cancellation, about the particular order, our demand is very simple. All more than 5,000 persons are there, they want their jobs.
What correction you are wanting?
My lord,
Well,
the 29th October order.
make it so tedious for us. You were with Mr. Ottaji, your junior was there. He did not hand over the application number.
Yeah, there are many.
How you make it to you stretch to the maximum that we will trouble the court in this fashion? Are you in this matter? Can 2 and Can 3. He appeared in Can 2 and
No,
Can
my
3.
lord,
I am for the Can 2. I am for the.
You are for
Can 44, Can 47 and Can 76.
in this also he appeared.
Yes, that is why
You are in which Can?
my lord, in those and pen written I have given in all those matters.
But you
Mr.
compared the list of cut off
44,
mark every district
47,
and then you have
65, 76,
my argument
89 and 108.
কারণ cut off mark
Then you are in which matter?
everyone. It is not my document, it is that board's document.
And my lord, I handed. My lord,
Yes, we are not admission.
I
এটাতে নিচে একটা দিয়ে দিও উপরে দিয়ে দিও একটা
এখানেও তো আমার আমি যা প্রথমে
টাইপোগ্রাফি
My lord, may I permit to mention?
what did you wanted to mention?
no, my lord. I just wanted to mention. I just handed over. Nothing. And
That
regarding my lord.
My lord, may I permit to?
Regarding panel publication in page 130, my lord, the secretary board communicate to the confidential, the panel must be prepared by the S. Basu Roy Company. It is mentioned in, although learned advocate general plays the para A and B, but para C it is specifically categorically mentioned.
No, no.
That, yes,
130. No, no, that was explained.
Page 130, my lord, kindly
Yes, 130 we asked
Yes.
and that was explained.
130C and 130.
130C read with one.
আরে দাঁড়াও না
সবাই আছে সেকশনে রয়ে গেলে
সন্তুষ্ট হয়ে গেল।
My lord, may I,
Last 4 words.
my lord, may I
Last
indeed,
4 words.
last forward and along with page number 135.
133.5. 133.5, yeah. So the 130 place করলো না?
for necessary and arrangement.
135 কি আছে?
And 133.5.
Read with page number 221.
The 133, page number 133, clause 5.
133?
Clause 5.
Clause 5, read with page number 221, para 26. There are 26 specifically mentioned. May I read, my lord?
Whose affidavit is this?
Page number 221, volume 1. May I read?
Initial intent. By the company.
ওটা করতে হবে আমাদের। One single sentence cannot be cut. As regards
130 will clear.
33 দাদা 35 না 33 5
Yeah, paragraph
page number 133
133 read with 220.
133 clause 5 page number are read with or and
You are
two.
unnecessarily confusing. It's 130 read with 221, paragraph 26.
Yes.
And one
Just
more.
a minute. Yes, now you tell us.
Now, along with that, page number 133,
Yes.
point number 5. The role of S. Basu Roy Company.
ঠিক আছে।
What work was it?
CBI has looked into it.
মানে এটা আমরা এক্সপেক্ট করে দিচ্ছি এক্ষুনি। আমরা তো
221 বলছে তাই তো? 22 কত বললো? 221 বললি?
Final.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
My lord, may I permit to my lord, may I permit to submit one thing, my lord? As you asked for Mr. Dipendu Chatterjee, he could not appear before your lordship due to some serious medical conditions, my lord. Praying for apology of behalf.
কিছু দরকার নেই।
Yes.
Okay.